Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joining forces with my beautiful model Precious, and together we're going to show you how to achieve this stunning, classic and very easy makeup look. Before we start, I wanted to ask you to pause this video, hit the like button and also leave a comment underneath. All of this helps me to create more gorgeous videos for you. It helps with engagement and helps to push my videos out there for a wider public. And I'm starting today's look by applying NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation all over the face. Again, the look is going to be very simple and sometimes less is more. And this is the case in today's makeup tutorial. So my goal here is to even out the skin tone and create flawless clean canvas for the further makeup application. I find that NARS Radiant Foundation is fantastic for so many different skin types, especially for the deeper skin tones. It seems like the formulation of this foundation was made specifically for deeper skin tones. It always blends so smoothly and it sits so well throughout the day. And since I'm creating flawless canvas, I decided to cover the décolleté area straight away. And for this, I decided to mix in 3 amazing products. And you guys know, Nivea body cream, a little bit of NARS foundation to even out the skin tone, and also Nuxe dry oil. And this mixed together gives me a super beautiful sheen on the skin. And this time I also decided to highlight collarbones separately, and for this I'm using High Glow Stick by Rochelle Humes, which is kind of a solid highlighter that can be used all over the body. Its reflective property and bronzy golden undertone is perfect as a highlighter for Precious today. And once I have applied it on the skin, I am taking a clean blending brush and pushing it deeper into the skin for that seamless transition. Next, I'm going to define the facial contours by using a Fenty contouring stick in its darkest shade Ebony, one of my favorite contouring sticks for deeper skin tones. And I'm actually also using it instead of the eyeshadow. Again, today's look is all about clean, perfect canvas and a pop of the lipstick. Everything else is going to be pretty neutral. So by adding the shading all over the face, including the eyelids, I am ensuring the definition of the eyes in a super natural way. So almost like that eyeshadow that is so natural and barely visible on the eyes that when you're looking at the face, you don't even know whether it's there or not. And the purpose of today's look was to create stunning beauty images, including the macro lip images, which I will be sharing later on my Instagram. They're still in the process of selection and edit. So for this reason, it was really important to create clean canvas using cream products because creams photograph more natural, especially whenever we're doing the beauty shoots. Right, next we're moving on to the blusher, and again I'm using creamy product. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury, her Pillow Talk matte range, and this one is the shade Dream Pop. As usual guys, I will add all of the products in the description box below, including all the names and links to those so you can find them easily. And if you guys paying attention, you already noticed that I only used 2 colors throughout the whole look, browns and reds. Less is more for today's look, and as you can see, I'm playing on the colors of the skin and of the dress and the background. And this was my whole idea for today's look in order to achieve classic, timeless, stunning look for this beauty shoot. Now guys, I am applying some Airbrush Flawless Finish powder from Charlotte Tilbury all over the face in a very light manner. I don't want the skin to be overly powdered, specifically for the beauty shoots where I need the skin to look like skin. My goal here is only to mattify the highest points of the face, as they're the ones that reflect the light the most, but you still see that the glow still comes through, especially on the darker skin tones. I don't want to overpowder. I don't want the skin to look dull. I still want that sheen to come come through. And now I'm applying Charlotte Tilbury's bronzing powder, but I'm using it instead of the contouring shade. As you can see, it's not the warmest in coloring, and actually on Precious skin tone, it works wonderfully as a contouring powder. I wasn't quite sure whether I should add highlighter or not, but in the end I decided why not. And here I am applying MAC Face Glaze Cream Blush, which is not blush at all. It was a limited edition, very sticky highlighter. This one is in the shade Pumpkin Spice, so it has golden undertone, and it worked beautifully on Precious as a highlighter. And you saw me applying it all over the eyes, little bit in the middle of the nose and the tip of the nose to create wet looking glow. And now on to the main focus of this beauty look, red lipstick. This one is from Fenty Beauty in the shade Universal Red, which is fantastic red. It's neutral in color and will suit perfectly cooler and warmer undertones. And I will not stop there. After my initial lip lining, I decided to go over and use Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick to top the color up. So I wanted to create velvet finish on the lips that look like suede. And for this reason, I chose this velvety lipstick in the shade Royal Red, which topped up the lips beautifully, but I will not stop there. But for now, I'm moving on to the eyebrows and filling them in using Deep Brow Pomade from Anastasia as well. For the eyebrow shape, I wanted some definition, but I still wanted to create natural finish to the brow. So you see me using very fine angled brush, which allows me to create hair-like strokes, and this what gives the brow natural appearance. And once the brows were completed, I made a decision to go over the lips one more time, but this time I am using a red powdery eyeshadow from the brand Be Perfect and their Love Tahiti palette. This gave me even more suede, more velvet finish to the lips. And this is it, guys. This is our finished look. As you saw, pretty simple, only a few steps and only 2 shades used all throughout the look. And we even skipped the mascara. And this is pretty usual for beauty or high fashion shoots. Often we create looks not using mascara at all. Right, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment underneath. Love yous and see you on my next